Hey, good morning, coffee drinkers. Has your Breville become noisier over the years? Here's a simple hack. Ours is 6 years old, and I noticed when I was lifting up the reservoir that the handle used to squeak. And I decided I would try something. There are 4 little hinges, one here on this side, one on the other side, and then where the handle comes up there's what I call a hinge in here. And I think they had dried out. And so using a toothpick, where I cut the end off so it was more blunt, and a little bit of olive oil, I just dropped olive oil onto those 2 hinges so the squeaking stopped, and they're lubricated and silent when I move them, and that's resulted in the machine being much quieter when the pump is running compared to how it was just yesterday. Hope that might work for you too if your Breville has gotten noisier than you like. Enjoy the drink.